Hello everyone, welcome to Truck Technology. Today we are looking at the Sany 10,000S. Now the 10,000S is a very unique model. It has a maximum lifting moment of close to 2,175 tons. That means it can lift up to 1,000 tons at a distance of 2.2 meters. Here you can see the axles lifted above the ground, and we have reached axle number 5, and this is the outrigger, which is positioned to balance the moments that come while lifting the load. You can see axle 6, axle 7 and axle 8. So this is a 16 cross 10 I believe, and you can see the maximum outrigger here of nearly 100 meters. Thank you and subscribe.